Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today we will learn two new topics which are variable and constant. So firstly we have to know what is variable and what is constant. As we all know that variable don't have any fixed values but constant have. So how do we prove it? Let's take a simple example. So here I have take three simple equations. X plus 4 equals to 8, x plus 4 equals to 7 and x plus 4 equals to 9. Here we can see the value of x depends on the result of those equations. So here we can see that the value of x can be 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. depending on its result. So variable is a place where we can store any kind of data or value. In C programming, a particular type of variable can only store a particular type of constant. If we are considering an integer type of variable, it can only store an integer type of constant. If there is a real type of variable, then it can only store a real type of constant. In constant, we know that there is a fixed value. In C programming, there are four kinds of constant. Those are number 1 integer constant, number 2 floating point constant, number 3 character constant, and number 4 is string constant. So let's have a brief discussion in these four topics. Number 1 integer constant. So any kind of integer values like 1, 2, 3, 4, these are called integer constant. Number 2 floating point constant. So any kind of fractional values like 2.3, 4.5, these kind of fractional values are called floating point constant. Number 3 is character constant. So any kind of alphabet, those are written within single quote, those are called character constant. And on number 4 is string constant. So any kind of word, alphabet, values, those are written within double quotes, those are called string constants. Here I have one more important point to share, that printf can only print any kind of string constants or string values, whatever. So we will learn one more topic, which is data type. It is a very important topic in our C program. To executing any kind of program, we must have a clear concept on this topic. So what is data type? Data type defines that whatever value or data we are using in our program, those are belong from which categories. We have four data types: int, char, double and float. These four data types are also called primitive data type. Integer type of variable take 2 bytes in computer's memory, and the character types of variable takes 1 bytes in computer's memory, and a float type of variables takes 4 bytes in computer's memory, and a double type of variables take 8 bytes in computer's memory. There are not too much difference in float and double. Let's assume a number like 4.5. If we store this number in float, then it will take 4 bytes in computer's memory, and if we store the same number in double, then it will take 8 bytes in computer's memory. But if we have a huge fractional number, then generally we use double. Let's see how to assign a particular value into its data type. I have take one example, int a equals to 10. Here int means data type, a is variable, equals to mean assignment operator, and 10 is integer value. I would like to take another example like float a equals to 10.5. Here float is data type, a is variable and equals to is assignment operator, and 10.5 is a decimal values. And lastly, I would like to share another information, that what is the output format of these data types. For int we use %d, for float we use %f, for char we use %c, and for double we use %lf or %ld. Thanks for watching. If you really like my videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.